Hey guys, welcome to another Total Home Quick Tip. So we're doing this fireplace feature. We did tile all the way up, and now we're putting a wood feature on the outside, and it's going to be backlit and the whole deal. Well, inside, on top of the fireplace, there are two ducts that come out, and that is basically the heat source, and it goes out either side of the fireplace. Well, I moved one to take a measurement so that when I'm screwing in this wood feature, I'm hitting steel studs, right? Well, lo and behold, don't I move it, and the whole duct comes off the top of the wood stove. So that's bad. It's really bad. So now I'm like, oh my God, what do I do now? I look down the hole and I put my camera down there and I can see that it's actually come off the top of the wood stove. It's rigid metal ducting, which is wrapped in insulation. So now I'm kind of buggered. Like, do I start breaking tiles to get back in there and reattach it? So what I've decided is I'm going to attach it from the outside. I'm going to break through. I redid this whole chimney last year. It was all rotten. This whole side was just, there was no more aspenite left and no more house wrap. So I redid this whole thing. So here I am today. We're taking apart this chimney so that I can break through the back of this hole. The fireplace is actually inset into the room quite a bit, so there's actually some room back here for me to move around. Take out the insulation, take out the vapor barrier, cut the drywall, go in there, reattach the pipes. This time I'm going to make sure they're really nice because there's no pipe clamps on it or nothing. There's just a couple of screws. So it just popped off like nothing. But yeah, I'll show you the video in this short little clip, and you can see what I was dealing with. All right, we'll talk to you soon. All right. Okay, so no clamp at the top. Basically just a couple of screws, which, you know, they just ripped out. They tore. You can see a hole like right there. Oh, can you see it? Yeah, right there. There's a hole. So anyways, I'm going to put a clamp, and then we're going to put the insulation back on and work my way out of this hole. Actually, I got to check the other one too, just to be safe. All right, kids, I'm in the hole. You can see there's the fireplace. There's lots of room back here, which is really nice. That's where it goes up through the roof. But here's what I found out. So there is a clamp on here, okay? But there's all the screws that they were supposed to put in that they didn't put in. So, you know, the clamp just came off, and here we are fixing it. What are you gonna do? Cheers. Something tells me they didn't screw this one in either, just by the look of that. Check this out. This is the cold air intake. Look at it. It looks like the pipe is too big for the inlet. They should have put a reducer in there. But anyways, they just mangled the crap out of it. I guess they thought the wire would hang on. Oh my God. There's an awful lot of pipe in here too. Maybe that stops the draft, I'm not really sure. But anyways, it's kind of not cool.